Alright, ladies and gentlemen, how do we capitalize and get ourselves 1090 pips over here? Look at this amazing dump throughout today for this gold market. Okay, so look at this, ladies and gentlemen. Today we actually got this order entry at 4133 and then TP going all the way down, still dumping. Alright, this was the first record, and then look at this second order at 360, and then today was again we've gained a total of 1500 pips once again. So how did we capitalize and get this entry? Very, very simple. Now, look at this, ladies and gentlemen. We are going to this time frame, okay? And then what can we see? In this time frame, the price actually gives us a dump, a pullback, and a further dump. So this is a change of character. The market has actually told us that the market has flipped into bearish right over here with a change of character. All right. So we have spotted a fair value gap over here, and market did came back up to retrace towards this fair value gap. And then what can it tell you? What did the candle tell you? It tells you the market sweep into it and reject. Okay, the moment it reject, the first thing comes to our mind is that the market is rejecting this bearish fair value gap. So the market is going to dump further. So immediately we go down to a lower time frame, and what can we see? The market give us a quick spike towards the upside over here, and then leaving us a bearish fair value gap. All right, and then the market once again it came back up to sweep it off again, sweep it off this fair value gap, and then forming a bearish engulfing candle right over here, as you can clearly see. So what happens next? Immediately we enter a short position over here, SL above the fair value gap, which is the bearish point of interest, and then we are targeting all the way towards the low. So which low are we looking at specifically? So if you guys actually go back to the higher time frame that I've shown you guys just now, where we spot fair value gaps and so you guys can clearly see that we are actually targeting back all the way towards this low over here, previous lows over here. Look at this order block sitting over here. Okay, this time frames order block. We are targeting our TP all the way to this order block, and where it is, it dumped just like that. Okay, very amazing. Okay, so the chart just basically moves on history candles, and then you guys can just capitalize and enter the market like how I used to enter. So if you guys are interested in signals like this or entries like this, you guys want to make an entry like me, gaining 1000 pips over like this, just comment signal below.